Alright, well, over the week I've decided that I want to fit new bucket seat rails to my 180SX. As it turns out, my Bride bucket seat is too tall. I'm too tall. My head is gonna hit, or not hit, but it's quite close to that like reinforcement bar in the corner there. So I've decided that I'm gonna cut out the factory hump, the hump that's there. I'm gonna chop it out. I've got rid of the factory seat mount bracket in there and drilled out all the spot welds, and yeah, basically I'm just gonna fit these brackets that I designed up at Polytech. So alright, well, they're outside, a little bit rusty. I'm happy with them, they'll be sweet. So the nuts are gonna fit underneath there, and then obviously they're slotted so that the bucket seats can be adjusted if you need them to be. Basically they're Motorsport New Zealand legal, so the minimum of like 40 centimeters square and 3mm thick. So they're going to be mounted directly to the frame, well not the frame, but like mounted directly to the car, and I'll just stitch weld them. But yeah, once we get rid of this, it means the passenger seat can be mounted just as low as the driver's seat, which, yeah, it'll be, for me it'll be more of an aesthetic thing, because I can't handle, like, you know, one seat being X height and the other seat being slightly different, so it's more of my own like personal preference. So anyways, I better get on to this and we'll see how we go. Okay, so if you're doing this for the first time, like I am, you just got to be aware of that point right there. This point right here, this is where the chassis rail runs under, and then where those four spot welds are, because underneath there is the gearbox mount, the cross member mount. So I'm going to modify this so that when this comes through, it'll be bent all the way across, like it'll be exactly how it is on the driver's side. So yeah, once that's all done, I'll tidy that up, and I'm going to tidy that one up there, and then we're going to block it up. So I just went and picked up some panel steel, so we'll give it a go. So the progress made so far, got 2 panels in, just got to modify that mount there, that mount, and do something with that, and yeah, fill the gaps. So it's a little bit longer. I've got the mounts welded in on the other side. Let's go take a look at those. I just have to level them, and once they're leveled, I just have to give them a little love tap. So that one in there, that one I've just got to re-weld. Got to re-weld the inside bit there, and I put some weld on the existing seat mounts, because I still want to keep those. So yeah, it's the progress we've made so far. It's coming together. Okay, oh, filled in that little bit. It's got a little bit of a gap down there, and I've got that one there that I shortened, and so I'll just put a little filler panel in there. It's coming up alright. Try not to look at the welds too much. For this part, I've decided to chop off this and a little bit up there, and I will bend that downwards and stitch weld that to the new panel, so that we've still got the strength of the cross member mount in the chassis. But yeah, it's coming along. Hopefully not too much longer, because I've got to send this to the paint shop to get done. So this is all flattened, and for reference, that's how much came off the actual gearbox mount. So I've cleaned those up, and I'm gonna copper coat them, and then I will put the panel in, and then I will get under the car and weld that to the new replacement panel. So if you needed another angle of it, so it's all just flattened. Hopefully it's not going to interfere too much. And I've just put straight tab on there. I think it's about the width of the ruler, a little 6-inch ruler. So yeah, I'll just shake up some copper coat and quickly spray that, and then make up a panel. So that'll seal any like rust stuff forming in there, because there's already some forming, even though, you know, it's not really in the rain. So this is good. It's like copper stops, you know, any rusting forming, and it also helps, it's weld through copper primer. So yeah, give that 10 minutes to dry. So I'm gonna stick a couple welds like right in here and there, and probably up in that top bit there, and that should be as strong as anything. Yeah, second and last panel to weld in. So I've got it as good as I can, filled most of it up, bent it down over there. I'm gonna weld it in, get it all flat, and then I'm gonna cut this down with the angle grinder after the fact. It's much easier doing it that way. So yeah, it's all done. There's a rare earth magnet just pulling it down over there. So I think it's gonna be all good, and just have to fill it in with that fucking shortening bit there. So stoked. So it's the tow truck's coming to get it, so we'll get underneath and weld the opposite end, and then it'll be ready to go. Can't wait. Cage will be finally painted all one colour, the whole interior. Okay, we're all finished, and car's getting ready to be taken away on the tow truck. So we've got it all done. It's out there. Tow truck's just over there. It's going to take it away. So just take you for a quick look. So that's the panel there. The hump delete, I just fucking had like 15 minutes to do that last little pitch, and it looks pretty shit. But it's all done. I'm pretty stoked. It came out really good. But yeah, don't TIG weld the body of a car. It's not fun. Alright, well, you guys know what to do. Basically, if you like this shit, let me know. Give me a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks, bye.